Hello and welcome friends. In today's video, we're going to explore two powerful AI tools, Microsoft Bing and PixVerse AI. So let's begin our AI journey. Text to image using Microsoft Bing. To start, we need a creative and detailed prompt. And for this, we'll use our trusted friend, ChatGPT. Now type a prompt. Within seconds, ChatGPT will give you a beautifully written prompt. You can tweak or adjust it as per your need. Now that our prompt is ready, it's time to bring it to life as an image. Open a new tab and search for Microsoft Bing. Once the website loads, on the homepage, click on the Image tab and then select the Create option. Here, paste the prompt that we just generated from ChatGPT. Within a few seconds, AI starts working its magic. And boom, your beautiful AI-generated image is ready. You'll see 4 variations of your image, and you can choose the one you like the most. Want to resize the image? No worries. There's an easy resize option available. You can adjust it for Instagram and YouTube thumbnails. Once you're satisfied with the final version, just click Download, and your image will be saved to your device, ready to use anywhere. Now let's take things a step further and convert that image into an animated video using PixVerse AI. Open a new tab again and search for PixVerse AI. Once you open the website, you'll notice that new users get 90 free credits, and by logging in daily, you get 60 extra free credits, which is awesome. Now upload the image that we created earlier. Next, head back to ChatGPT and copy the same prompt we used before. Paste it into PixVerse along with your image. PixVerse will analyze your prompt and the image, and in just a few moments, it'll generate a fully animated video based on that image. Once your video is ready, just click on Download and you're done.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.